Hey, happy anniversary. I have something for you, babe. I brought a flower for you.
Gerald, wait.
Hey, anong ginagawa mo rito?
I'm sorry, G.
No, okay lang. You're here to celebrate with us, right? As friends, di ba?
I'm sorry, Gerald. Hindi ko sinadyang umabot sa kalanito. Ayaw ko din magsinungaling pa.
Ano bang pinagsasabi mo, Matt?
I wanna break up with you, Gerald. Matagal na kami nagkikita ni Teo, and I'm so sorry.
Since when?
Nangyari lang. Hindi namin ito plinano, G.
Hindi plinano. Puta kina, kaibigan kita, Mateo. I give you everything. I bled for you.
And Teo offered me peace.
I never meant to hurt you.
You both did, pero at least alam ko na kung ano ang tunog ng pagtataksil. And it sounds just like fucking you, Mateo.
Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen.
Dalawang taon. Pero si Teo pa yung best friend ko. Sakit.
Hi! Nako, Gerald, if I were you, matagal ko na talaga yung sinabuyan ng beer. Walang kwenta si Mateo. At si Teo, best friend daw. Utot niya.
Gerald, we're here, okay? You don't deserve that kind of love. You gave everything and they just threw it away.
You love the wrong person, G. Hindi ibig sabihin mali kang magmahal. You were just not worthy, you know.
Here, this one is on the house. Kailangan mo yan kaysa sa ice dyan sa inumin mo.
Isa na rin panggana ng mga luha niya na sayang.
Grabe.
Napaka-epic talaga.
Super.
Sino yun?
What?
Siya. She comes here a lot. Laging mag-isa. Regular customer lang namin dyan. Di lang masyadong nagsasalita. Tahimik lang. Pero may dating, no? Type mo siya, no?
Di ko alam, pero parang tinamaan agad ako eh.
Sus! Tinamaan ka lang ng inumin mo, Mars.
Mahihinang nilalang.
That's the first time you look at a girl like that.
Kasama ka papunta kung saan, tayong dalawa lang ang may alam. Oras ay di na namamalayan, sa dami ng ating ginagawa. Kanina ba kita tinitingnan, o ba't pa ang sarap mo pa?
Outfit number 7. Beige. Turtleneck. Name? Still no.
Ang ina, are you documenting this girl like a wildfire researcher?
Hindi nyo kasi gets. Lagi ko siya nakikita. At the bar last week, at the park, at the museum. At kahapon nakita ko siya in the bookstore. She was holding an astronomy book. Guys, astronomy!
No, cause not you quoting astrology were borderline stalking her.
Ibilasin lang yung fate mo. Kagaya nung na-broken-hearted ka. Right, guys? Yeah, right. Definitely right.
Bahala kayo dyan. Basta pag nakita ko siya ulit, I'm gonna talk to her.
Okay.
So Gerald, how have you been since our last session?
I was down on our anniversary in park for my best friend. Kaya ako nandito kasi I might be in love again. And I don't even like a woman like that. Like, what I mean is, bakla ako.
You may be experiencing a phenomenon I call delirious syndrome. Ito kasi yan, Gerald. It is when the lines between faith and fantasy start blurring, usually after heartbreak and 3 shots of alcohols.
I feel like I don't love her. I crave knowing her.
I see. I suggest you check in with reality. Talk with her too.
Thanks, Doc. Next session, baka alam ko na yung pangalan niya.
Hi.
Sorry.
Nagulat ba kita?
Me? Hindi. Nagkape kasi ako kanina kaya siguro magugulitan ako. Coffee addict, you know. Why don't you take a sip?
Yeah, me too. But anyways, it sounds might be crazy, but why do I keep seeing you? I'm Gerald, by the way. Certified sad boy, overthinker. Presently dumb, and emotionally insecure.
I don't mind. Anyway, pero ito, medyo subog lang sa exam. Sketchy din, I guess.
Gerald, parang pangalan ng lalaking I accidentally sketch.
Promise you. Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you. Hindi kita pababayaan.
Ang saya ng buong araw, no? Can we call it a date?
Hindi naman masama if we call it like that.
Handa na ikaw ay makasama sa...
So, spill na, Amara. Sino yung nagpapakilig sa'yo lately?
Girl, your eyes sparkle every time and every day.
Matagal ko na siyang gusto.
As in? Gano'ng katagal? Months? Years.
Wait, what? Amara? Years? Kanino? Ba't ngayon mo sinasabi?
Not like weird, pero gusto ko lang malaman kung ano yung ginagawa niya, what he eats, what he do, and what makes him laugh.
Girl, that's low-key. Stalker behavior.
I didn't tell anyone. It was mine. It was my secret. My constant.
Oy, Meva, I see you here.
Nice seeing you again, G. Was it been like another graduation in our college?
Yeah, maybe, but hindi ko lang malala. But anyway, what are you doing here?
I need to show you something you need to know.
She found me first.
I'm sorry on behalf of my sister. I shouldn't have shown you like that. Alam ko na kasing may gusto siya sa noon pa lang. Pero hindi ko alam na darating siya sa puntong gawin niya to.
All this time, she's watching me taking pictures.
I know, it sounds creepy. Violating. I get it.
Hindi niya ba alam na I'm gay?
Alam na niya kasi sinabi ko kaagad sa kanya noon. Wala siyang pakialam.
She found me first, pero hindi ko alam na matagal na pala akong hinihintay at hinahanap.
Nag-enjoy ka ba sa gabi mo?
Meva, ginulat mo naman ako.
Since when? Since when did I thought you to do things like that?
Anong pinagsasabi mo?
My God, Amara! Don't make me a fool! Gerald deserves to know everything.
Ano? Sinabi mo sa kanya? Wala kang karapatan.
Wala ka din karapatang itago ang buong sikreto sa kwarto mo. Ilang taon mo siyang sinusundan? Sinusulat? Akala mo pagmamahal yan?
Mahal ko siya, okay? And that's all that matters.
Hindi mo siya mahal. Sinasamba mo siya.
He was never supposed to find out.
Well, he did! Nang dahil lang sa obsession mo.
No! I can't lose him, Eva.
Ano? Aalis ka?
Gerald?
Gusto kong marinig galing sa'yo mismo lahat ng totoo.
Yes, I like you since I was in first year college. Hindi ko sinabi sa'yo kasi alam kong hindi ako yung gusto mo.
So you made a version of me in your head, Amara. That's not love.
Hindi naman ako yung babaeng tipo mo, di ba? Hindi naman talaga ako yung tipo na gusto mo. I'm a woman. I'm messy, I'm chaotic, I'm loud inside, pero mahal kita.
So you made me question everything.
I was just scared. I'm sorry. I should have just let you go.
Please don't be a coward again.
Why? Why me? Why would you still choose me?
You think I didn't try to let you go? I did. You accepted me with the both of who I am.
Because I love you.
Saan ba matatagpuan?
Finally found me.
Because you never stop finding me first. I don't want to lose the life ever again.
Saan hahanapin? Sabihin sa